Here's the code. It's similar to what I had before, right? But it's now a little crisper, and that's a good thing. Again, I want to have something that tells me, or asks me rather, for an integer that I'm going to deal with. I'll input it and to make sure it's an integer by doing a cast or a type conversion on it. And then notice the for loop right here. There's my identifier, for answer, ANS, in, and there's range. So notice what range is going to do. It's going to generate a sequence of integers, 0, 1, 2, all the way up to the absolute value of x. The for loop says, for answer in that range, starting at 0, I'm going to execute the body. Notice the form of the body. The body has a test. And if the test is true, it's going to hit a break. So there's our form. Right? There's the generate step. And there's the test step. Or if you like, the check step. I'm going to, in turn, have answer take on the values 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up until x. Once I get past x, I'm going to stop. But inside of that loop, I'm simply going to say, let me check. If answer cubed is equal to absolute value of x, the thing I'm looking for, I'm done, and I'll hit break, and when I hit break, it throws me out of the loop and takes me down to the next piece of code. And in that case, I'll now check. Now, why do I have to do one last check? Well, I don't know whether I hit a break or whether I actually ran out of values to try. So I'll see which case I'm in. If I'm in a place where I'm out of values, in other words, if answer cubed is not equal to the absolute value of x, which meant that this test was not what caused us to get there, I'll return the fact it's not a perfect cube. Otherwise, well, I'll just do what I did before. Make sure I know which sign I want to use and then print out the right thing. Let's check it out. Over here in idle, there's my code. It's got all of those pieces. And if I now just run this, it's going to ask for an integer. Let's give it my good old 27. There it is. Let's try it again. And let's give it minus 27.